Hello, Scott Wessex Blades. You might have noticed I've done the odd YouTube short lately, and the reason is this. This here is obviously the last 90 days. Each one of these is a short that's gone mad, including today this one, which is suddenly, remember that this is Sparta? This one here, which I did last night. The second day, this happens. That happens. So obviously, to get my reach out, I'm doing the odd short. Now obviously for the normal viewers, it's just, that's a bit short of a video, but the reach, and especially this one here, okay, I changed the title. I had a double hit on that one. So just the reason as to why I'm doing the odd short, because generally speaking, analytics, reach, $4,600 more than usual. Can't say fairer than that. Anyway, thanks guys, and obviously if you see a little short, it's just a little snippet. It's just a few seconds of your time. Thanks for your likes. I mean, who's not going to do it when it only takes... Cool.